E36 out today, guys. Woo! Kevin came through to the house all the way over here. Finally, he's the one that drives and I'm not. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. As you guys see, Kevin is out here in my area. If you guys don't know, Kevin lives about an hour, maybe a little over an hour away from me. And I'm always out there in LA, but today he came out here and we're gonna do little vlog stuff. I don't know what we're doing today. We have a couple plans in mind, but I have no idea what exactly we're doing yet. Everyone's been doing it. I'm not the first to do it, but I want to put a Christmas tree on top of my car. I wanted to do the E92, but unfortunately the E92 is at 412. So we're gonna be whipping the E36 today, and I think we'll just do that video with the E36. Oh my god, the sun's so bright. Holy shit, Kevin. This car's loud. I love this car, bro. I miss this car. Every time I drive it, I fall in love again. Like, it's so sick. If you guys are new to the channel, I also have an E36 M3. This car is so much fun. Like I said, I'm not the first to do it, but I want to put a Christmas tree on top of the car. And I also want to wrap my car in Christmas wrapping paper. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but people wrap their entire car in Christmas wrapping paper, which seems like a really sick idea. What's up, G?
It's good.
You don't know how to park? Alright, guys. Before we do anything today, I want to get the car washed because this E36 hasn't been washed in like maybe over a month. It's disgusting, bro. Alright, that's the best it's gonna get. It actually doesn't look bad, huh? It looks good?
Looks good.
You wanna buy it now? Look how sick it looks. I love this car. And if you guys don't remember last video, my homie Hugo broke my lid. Bro, I let him drive it and he broke it.
I need you to replace that lid for me, bro.
I do need to buy a new one. Alright guys, I think we're gonna stop at Home Depot. I think there's Christmas trees there. Buy a Christmas tree, strap it on the roof somehow, which I don't know how we're gonna do, but and I also want to try to make the tree light up. I don't know how we can possibly do that, but
Right there, bro.
I can't believe we're actually gonna do this. Oh my god, bro. How about we just put it on your car? I don't want to scratch mine. I have a blanket we might put on so we don't mess it up, but this is gonna be hard. You found your twin?
Yeah. We're gonna purchase somewhere else.
Kevin, this is 70 bucks, bro. Oh yeah.
There we go.
I'm not paying 70 bucks for a tree that might fall off on the freeway. What's the cheapest tree we can possibly buy? Like something like this bad boy right here.
How much is this little one?
I don't know. How much are these?
I love the smell of the trees. It smells good.
You know I'm allergic to pine trees?
Really?
I can't even make it up, bro. I'm allergic to pine trees. What? Why you look so happy, Kevin? Which one are we buying, dude? Okay, guys, he told me 39 bucks for this. Oh, Kevin, catch the tree. This is an ugly tree, bro, but it'll look cool on the roof, I think. All right, I think we found our tree. It doesn't look that good, but I think it'll look good on the roof. How tall is it? Like 6 feet?
All right, G. You got it.
I think this
This is the one he wants.
One, bro?
Yeah.
Are you guys YouTubers?
Yeah, kind of.
Kinda?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
How many subscribers do you have?
I think like
80,000.
2.3 million.
2.3 million?
bro.
You got like 80,000 subscribers? That's pretty good. Are you gonna start making money from YouTube? A little bit? Alright, that's good, bro.
Barely enough to buy this tree.
Did I give you the tag?
What'd you
Hopefully
do,
we don't
Nick?
run into them, bro, today.
I do not want to mess with
I
them
feel
right
like they would pull me over. Like, why you have a tree on your roof?
now. Yeah, open them.
Bro, I don't think this is enough. Look how many lights. There's only like a handful of lights. And we need to figure out how we're gonna make them work on a car.
They already put it all nice for Nick.
Yeah.
Now he's got to recut it. He's probably like, fucking guy. Nice. Let's see how this works.
I got a good idea.
Why?
We're already 70 bucks deep in this video. I don't think
It's all right, G.
How many-
Hey, chilled. That looks pretty good.
My paint, huh?
No, it's already messed up anyway. Nah, it's
Yeah,
fine.
right. It's nice when they young too.
There we go.
Oh my god.
So how do you?
Fall off, bro.
Nah, I'm just not gonna drive behind you.
This car is bad. Is yours? Yeah.
Damn.
Oh, good.
Cool. Thank you, bro. Happy holidays.
Hopefully it freaking works. I'm about to return this after.
Oh,
Shit.
now we're in business.
Alright, Kevin. Okay, guys, we got some lights. Bro, it looks so ugly. But I think from far away when it's driving, it's gonna look like a little tree. It doesn't look bad.
I like it a lot.
It looks stupid, but it works. That's funny. Alright, hopefully this stays. We're gonna go on the freeway. This is not gonna stay, bro.
It will, it will. I like it a lot.
I think we need like one more string of lights.
Maybe.
If we had one more, it would be sick, I think. We are done. I added another set of lights. Now it actually looks really good. It looks way better, bro. Oh my god, it's gonna look so sick driving. Ready?
What?
It looks sick, huh?
There's some donuts.
I'll try, maybe. I'm so scared, guys. I think it's gonna fall off while we're driving. I hope it doesn't.
Bro, it looks so sick.
It actually looks nice. Look at this. I can't believe we actually did this. I think later at night when it gets a little later, I want to go do some donuts. And I think the tree's gonna fall off if we try it, but I think it'll be sick. With donuts and the tree on the roof, sick footage. So we might go to this one spot that I know of where it's all Christmas themed, a lot of lights, a lot of people, so it'll be pretty cool to show like people's reactions and maybe even take some cool photos with some trees and stuff. Oh my god, bro.
Dude, it looks so sick.
The street is shut down though. That's the street I wanted to go on, guys. Look how sick that looks. Damn it. How can we get over there? Bro, look at this. We just made our own parking spot, but it actually looks sick, huh? Look at all the lights. It looks crazy, guys. What do you guys think? What don't you like about it? It looks ghetto. Guys, I don't even know how we did this. We just literally just threw lights.
You were supposed to first stand it up and then wrap the lights.
I know, we probably should have done that. Wrap it in a circle and then throw it on the roof. We found a place to take pictures. This one is sick. The cars look badass. Looks like some Need for Speed. Just made it over here to Mexico. About to do a couple little donuts because I think it'll be sick with the Christmas tree on here. You scared, Kevin, or what?
Damn, chill.
I don't know if I can go around you.
Just go. I'm gonna be moving.
Alright, let's get out of here. Dude, Dude, this car is so much easier to drift than like the E92.
Dude, that would be the car.
Oh my god, dude. We need to get out of here. That's a lot of donuts. I wanted to just do one and then dip, but we did a lot. Bro, this car is so much fun. If I had unlimited tires, I would do that all day long. Damn, the whole house has a Christmas theme going on. Sick ass foods. Car meat? We're back home. Now we gotta start unraveling this shit. The donuts are so much fun. I think this car like handles way better than the E92 for some reason. But that's gonna end the video. We put a tree on top of the E36. Hopefully it didn't scratch it with the sheet on it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button for me if you guys enjoyed that. For those donuts, make sure you smash the like button. Tell me what ideas you guys have. I don't know what to do with that tree anymore. Like, I don't know. I spent 40 bucks on that tree. What could we possibly do? I was thinking like something crazy, like light that on fire with my exhaust with the E92. Like rev the E92, you guys know it shoots flames. Rev the E92 and light that shit on fire somehow. I don't know. If you guys have any more ideas, let me know. Come up with some ideas, some new ideas, and I'll try to make it happen. Real quick, huge shout out to Kevin for coming through, filming that for me, and getting all the rolling shots. So make sure you guys go watch his vlog. He has a lot of it behind the scenes. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.